Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Former reggae boys Darren Mattocks retires from football at the age of 32 to pursue a life in Christ. I'm Rastafari soldier, ladies and gentlemen. Hit that red subscribe button. Become a part of the Rasta Man Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. The Jamaican footballer Darren Mattocks has retired from football at the age of 32 to pursue a Christian lifestyle. In the light of his decision to turn to Christ, former national striker Darren Mattocks has decided to end his play career due to his commitment to Christianity. It was while playing in Phoenix 2 years ago, Mattocks decided he wanted to draw closer to God, according to his former Bridgeport High School star. Mattocks stated that he is more satisfied with what he's doing now comparison to what he did during his playing career. As a member of the Reggae Boys, Mattocks played 50 times and scored 18 goals during his career. The striker also made a name for himself in the MLS, playing for teams such as Vancouver Whitecaps FC, Portland Timbers, DC United, FC Cincinnati, and Phoenix Racing FC, to name a few of his clubs. In several videos circulating online, the 32-year-old delivered numerous sermons, reading scriptures and preaching religious teachings from his Christian faith. In response to an interview question in recent TV, Jay interview about what he intends to do next to how he will manage his finance, since professional football was his primary source of income. The former MLS Player of the Month said he's not worried about money because he is good in the hands of God, while chuckling. The former Vancouver striker also showed his conviction for his new path by stating, "What I'm doing now to open people's eyes to other things and to actually bring them also to the knowledge of who Christ is and what Christ wants from us. I find joy in that even more than scoring a hat-trick for Jamaica," Mattocks declared. The major league player says that the majority of local football communities have reacted in shock, disbelief at the move taken by the 32-year-old Jamaican international, claiming that the striker could still play at least 3 more years in one of North America's top league and maybe could even make the World Cup squad if Jamaica qualifies for 2026 World Cup. Now, ladies and gentlemen, more often if let me know where you think. Because Mattocks been in a few legal situations in America in the last few years where he was charged with, like illegal identity and misinformation on insurance application and them kind of thing there. And it appears that him career now go the best. So me don't know why Mattocks just all of a sudden quit and turn to Christ. But it seems like whenever my people them get in trouble, them always find Christ upon the double. My name is Rastafari soldier, ladies and gentlemen. You know I'm the commentator here for The Approach TV. But when the people them get in a trouble, that's when they run to God upon the double. At least I that them I say. But you gonna see Christ. Hey, are the legal trouble them? And you are look at different choice. I'm Rastafari soldier, ladies and gentlemen. I'm reporting live. Reggae Boys player, ex-Reggae Boy player, ex-MLS player. Yeah, Jamaica's footballer Darren Mattocks has retired at the age of 32, prime life. say him a go see Christ. Leave your comment. Leave your subscribe. Subscribe for me. Please subscribe for me because I just hit their family and friends. The people them a watch, but them not hit the red subscribe button. Me give thanks for all the comments and the people them a participate in the channel. You like Dow King, you like Nkoshi Yamakashi, Jane, big up yourselves. You know what I say? Big up Serenity X, yeah, Copenhagen over there in England and thing. Big up all my friends them. We're in Jamaica, in Florida, in the Bronx, New York, yeah, York and T. And big up all the Canadians them. Big up yourself, Livette. Big up yourself, Vinette. Big up yourself, my cousin Navlet. More life, more joy and more happiness. Yes, let me know if something is behind this surprising retirement of this Jamaican reggae football star, Darren Mattocks. Him say him a turn him life to Christ. You all gone take.
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the rain. And it's so black people I put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy lightning and who roll the thunder? Deep root flashy lightning and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them, well them shit and look how much them put under. How much of the youth them, well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs full of say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rasta man and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari soldier real fire king. Yeah, balalang bang,
Pick up TV, respect, make sure the tune in the air every time.